But we will not be intimidated.
Around with me, the voice right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, will be notified. Right now as we are speaking, some armed men, heavily armed, which we believe are from the National Investigation Bureau, NIB, formerly known as BNI, have arrived at the residence of the Honorable MP and ranking on the Defense Committee of Parliament. We don't know if the MP is in the house, but as you can see, they have entered the house and they are searching through and they are causing fear and panic. Freedom of expression and speech is under attack under the government of John Dramani Mahama. And if this is how things are going to go, we hope and pray that in 2029, when the NPP returns to power and we start doing the same thing, nobody will say that we are fighting against freedom of expression. We will keep you updated.
But we will not be intimidated. We are few, but a mighty few and a happy few. All right. So this morning we heard of this intimidation and harassment from the NIB. We least expected such a step to be taken by government by using agents of the states. Our country is a country of democracy. Yes. And I'm reiterating a point. His Excellency President Mahama, I don't see him as a politician. I see him as a statesman because his term is his final term. So those who work under him should help him to leave a legacy. Yes. What we are experiencing shouldn't be part of his legacy. 4 years is far, but near. Ghana has been in this exercise for years, and we don't need what we've experienced this morning. The caucus expressed a view through its authorized member, Mr. Ntim Fordjour, a reverend minister and a politician. If government disagree with views expressed, government can also tell a side of the story. This is democracy. It's not about we are inviting you, you come with armed men. You know, about 20 of them. We don't need it. If you disagree, you disagree. In any event, the caucus is calling for a bipartisan inquiry into this matter. We should be able to judge all. But, well, they have de-escalated, they've left, they've gone back to wherever they came from. We want to assure the government that we will cooperate if they approach things in a decent manner.